How to fix this song is currently unavailable on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can fix this error right here, so keep on watching. So this error may be due to two reasons. The first one is that maybe it's a bug on Instagram right now, or that song is not available in your country. So first, let's make sure that this is not a bug, and if it is, let's show you how to fix it. First of all, you will have to go to your phone's settings, scroll down until you find apps. Then you can either scroll down until you find Instagram, or you can just click on the search icon from the right top corner and search for Instagram. Click on the app, and now you have to scroll down and click on storage. And from here you will have to clear the data and the cache from the bottom of the screen. If you have an iPhone, an iOS device, you have to offload the app. You can also click on the force stop button from the bottom of the screen. Try to log out from your account and log in once again and see if it works. After that, we will go to our Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. And now we will see if we have an update available or not. As you can see here, I have an update available, so if you to have it, click on the update button. And if you don't, you can skip this step. After that, you can go to your Instagram and check if you now it's the song available for you or not. If it's not, we can go ahead to our second method, which is going once again on our phone settings. Click on the search icon from the right top corner and search for region. And from here you will click on country and region, or if you have an iPhone, it's a language or region, and click on that, and you have to change your current region to another one like United States or another country and see if it works. And if it doesn't, I have another method, and that is going to your Instagram, go to your profile and then click on those three lines from the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find help. Click on that. Click on report a problem, the first option. And now click on report problem without shaking. Click on include and continue. And now we have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. We can add a screenshot with the problem and we can say, hello Instagram team, I have an error, which is this song is currently unavailable. Please fix this problem for me. Thank you so much. And you will receive an answer in maximum 72 hours. Guys, if you still have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer to them and help you out as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting daily. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.